Before every big purchase, there's a number somebody quotes you: a pre-approval, a monthly payment, a venue package. That number answers a real question. It just isn't yours. A lender is measuring their risk. You are measuring yours. This workbook is the neutral party nobody else in the room is going to be. Your real ceiling isn't one number. It's the lowest of three. What your income will carry once everything you already owe is subtracted. What your cash can actually reach after protecting an emergency reserve instead of spending it. And whether a purchase this size suits what you earn at all. A lender only ever computes the first one. It starts with your side. Income, and then every debt payment you already carry listed one by one, because the ceiling responds to what you pay each month, not to what you owe. A small minimum on a modest balance can be holding down several times that balance in purchase price. A house and a car are not the same problem. 6 purchase types, each carrying its own down payment, rate, term, annual ownership cost, upfront costs, debt-to-income caps, and reserve months. Every figure visible, every cell editable, and each row with a note on where its convention comes from. The dashboard gives you the ceiling, and then the line that actually changes what you do. Which of the 3 is binding? That one word tells you which lever is worth pulling and which is worth nothing. And no lender's calculator will ever show it to you. Then 12 prices around that ceiling, each one with its monthly payment, the share of your take-home pay, your debt to income afterwards, the cash you'd have left, and how many months of essentials that cash covers. Comfortable, stretch, or over, on every rung. The trade-off stops being abstract. And 8 moves, each resolving all 3 constraints from scratch. Save 6 more months, clear 1 card, a better rate, a longer term, more down. 2 results surprise almost everyone. Saving longer stops helping the moment income becomes the limit, and clearing a big balance out of savings can lower your ceiling rather than raise it. Nearly every affordability calculator online belongs to somebody who is paid more when the number is bigger. This one is a file you own outright. It shows its work, it works offline, and your income, your debts, and your savings never leave your computer. The Big-Purchase Affordability Calculator from Ardent Workshop. 8 connected tabs for Excel and Google Sheets, 5 guides, and printable worksheets to take into the room. Know your ceiling before anyone quotes you a number.